In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MoneyGram Login Block. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and clear your browser cache or app cache, as sometimes old data can cause login errors. Then, check that your login details are correct, including your email and password. And if you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off because MoneyGram may block logins from suspicious locations. Next, make sure your app or browser is updated to the latest version, as outdated software can trigger security blocks. And if you're still blocked, go to the MoneyGram website or app and use the forget password option to reset your password safely, which often resolves the problem instantly. And if the issue persists, contact MoneyGram customer support directly with your account details to lift the block. And finally, always enabled two-factor authentication for added security to prevent future logins issues. So that's it.